Hi boys and girls, and welcome to PE with Miss Miguel. Now, this doesn't exactly look like me, but it'll do for now. Now, I've decided to call you guys exercisers because, let's face it, when you're with me, you are exercisers. You're exercising your body and your mind.
Get ready for week 9 because it's going to be a very fun, exciting, and interesting week of learning. So come and join me with anybody that you'd like in your family, in your house,
Even Grandpa.
Previous learning point and connection.
You know what we learned about last week and how it connects to this week.
We learned about how
Oxygen, heart, lungs, blood and muscles.
are all related to each other. Step 1, we breathe in oxygen, also known as air, through our nose and mouth. Step 2, lungs bring oxygen into the body. Step 3, our heart pumps the blood. Step 4, oxygen sticks to red blood cells. And step 5, blood transports oxygen to your muscles using blood vessels. Because of this process, each beat of our heart sends blood and oxygen to our muscles. This week, our group goal is to calculate personal heart rate per minute by recording heartbeats for 10-second intervals and 15-second intervals.
Before we exercise our bodies, we're going to exercise our minds. Step 1.
2 fingers beneath your jaw or where your wrist meets your arm.
Step 2.
Gently apply pressure.
Step 3.
You're trying to find your pulse, which feels like a heartbeat coming out of your neck or arm.
Step 4.
Now that you've found your pulse, we are going to count how many times our heart beats in 10 seconds. Find your pulse with 2 fingers. Feel your heart beating. Start counting the beats when I say go. Go. How many times did you feel your heart beat? When I say go, tell me a number. Ready? Go. Let's try again for 15 seconds this time. Find your pulse with 2 fingers. Feel your heart beating. Start counting when I say go. Go. How many beats did you count? When I say go, tell me how many beats you counted. Ready? Go. I counted 13 for myself. Let's try again for 60 seconds. 60 seconds is actually equal to 1 minute. Find your pulse with 2 fingers. Feel your heart beating. Start counting when I say go. How many beats did you count that time? When I say go, tell me how many beats you counted in 1 minute. Go! For myself, I counted 90 beats in 1 minute.
Now introducing BPM Girl, the notorious BPM. She's known for calculating heart rate, or better known as beats per minute. I am Beats Per Minute Girl.
Now, let's calculate BPM, or beats per minute. We're gonna need to get a little closer to the wall. First, we'll use a 10-second timer again. Find your pulse with 2 fingers. Feel your heart beating. Start counting your beats when I say go. Go! Time's up! I counted 9 beats in 10 seconds. Now I, BPM Girl, am going to use this half circle to represent 10 seconds. And I'm going to use these lines here to represent my heartbeats. Now I told you earlier that I had 9 beats in 10 seconds. I had 9 beats in 10 seconds. But what we want to find out is BPM, beats per minute.
Beats per minute. Beats per minute.
And we know that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. So we need to make sure we have 60 seconds up. Now here I have up 60 seconds worth of heartbeats. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 seconds equaling 1 minute. Now I had 9 beats in 10 seconds. Let's see how many I'll have in 60 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 beats in 20 seconds. In 60 seconds, my heart beat 54 times. So my BPM, or beats per minute, is 54. So this represents my BPM. My BPM was 54 beats in 1 minute. This whole thing represents 1 minute. But wait, I'm BPM Girl. I can calculate BPM much quicker than this, and I'll show you too. Let's calculate BPM as quick as a heartbeat. Now I like to use something called 10 beat 6. 10 beat 6. Because we used 10 seconds, we counted 9 beats, and our 6 represents how many groups of 10 we counted. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So we're left with 9 times 6, which is 54. And down here we calculated my heart beat 54 times in 1 minute. Now what if my heart beat 11 times in 10 seconds? 10 beat 6.
10 beat 6. 10 beat 10 beat 10 beat 6.
10, we did 10 seconds. My heart beat 11 times. I'm timesing that by 6 because we have 6 groups of 10. And my answer would be 66 beats per minute. What if my heart beat 12 times in 10 seconds? 10 beat 6, 10 beat 6.
10 beat 6.
We used 10 seconds. My heart beat 12 times 6. And our answer would be 72 for BPM. 10 beat 6, 10 beat 6, 10 beat 10 beat 10 beat 6, 10 beat 6, 10 beat 6, 10 beat 10 beat 10 beat 6, 10 beats times 6. 10 beat 6, 10 beat 6, 10 beat 10 beat 10 beat 6, 10 beat 6, 10 beat 6, 10 beat 10 beat 10 beat 6.
Today we're going to warm up our engines with fast feet. For this warm-up, you'll need to find something that can create a straight line on the ground. Mirror me. We're going to take our steps. We're going 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Continue. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Continue. 1, 2, 1, 2. Continue. 1, 2, 1, 2. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And a 2-foot hop. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Continue. Shoulder stretch. Tricep stretch. Behind the back shoulder stretch.
Oblique stretch. Trapezius stretch. Neck extensor stretch. Neck roll. Quad stretch. Spider-Man stretch. And now it's time for the PPC. That stands for planks, push-ups, and curl-ups. Go ahead and get into position now with your back flat, no booty mountain, and no booty valley. Now, what is your plank goal today? Make sure your goal for today is either the same as yesterday or 1 second longer. The timer will be going all the way to 60 seconds for planks. Ready? Let's go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
We'll now begin the push-up section. Ready? Begin. Down, up, 1, down, up, 2, down, up, 3, down, up, 4, down, up, 5, down, up, 6, down, up, 7, down, up, 8, down, up, 9, down, up, 10.
What is your curl-up goal? While we get into position, I want you thinking about what your curl-up goal is for today. We're going to start by sitting down on our bottoms. Then we're going to put our feet flat on the ground.
We can use someone to hold our feet down if it's really tough for us to come up like this. Then we go feet flat, hands flat, and our knees to the sky.
We'll begin the curl-ups now. Ready? Begin. Up, down, 1, up, down, 2, up, down, 3, up, down, 4, up, down, 5, up, down, 6, up, down, 7, up, down, 8, up, down, 9, up, down, 10, up, down, 11, up, down, 12.
Now that we're warmed up, stretched, and we've completed PPC, this week we're actually going to be working on our overhand throws at an increasingly smaller target. So we're going to start out with our target today. It's going to be our oxygen poster from last week. That is our first target. Now, if you're at home and you can't throw a ball inside, which that's usually a rule that you can't throw a ball in the house, you can pick something like a sock ball. Now, this is how I make a sock ball. I still do this at my house because I play inside, but I make a sock ball. So, 2 socks, longer the better. If you stack them like this, you can curl them together and just kind of keep rolling until the sock is inside. If you'd like to pause the video now to go find 2 socks and to create the sock ball, you can do that now. Now we're ready to throw. We've gone over throwing steps in the past, but I'd like to go over them now with you. Those steps are T, making a T with your arms, twist, you're twisting your body, and hand to hip. When you finish your throw, your hand is at your hip. So let's practice that throwing at each other. Now, I'm not going to throw my sock ball because I'm going to pretend like I'm actually throwing it to you at home. Throw with me. T, twist, hand to hip. Rewind. T, twist, hand to hip. Rewind. One more time, everybody. Go. T, twist, hand to hip. Now this week I want you to pick 4 different targets to be throwing at. Our first target, I'm going to give you about 3 minutes to throw at your first target. Your first target should be your biggest target. 3 minutes. Go. T, twist, hand to hip. 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 Now I'm going to challenge myself with a smaller target. My next target is our BPM chart. Now this shows my 9 heartbeats in 10 seconds. I'm going to use this as a target. It's even smaller. 3 minutes with your new smaller target. Go. T, twist, hand to hip. 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 Target change. Use your imagination and find something smaller. Something smaller than this is the BPM shield for BPM girl. 3 minutes with your new target. Go. T, twist, hand to hip. T, twist, hand to hip. T, twist, hand to hip. Now I really want to challenge myself. My new target is the smallest target I can find. My heart! 3 more minutes with your final target. Can you see mine? Beep, it's right here, it's so small. exercisers, it's time for a cool down, and today we're going to be using cool down number 2. We're going to begin with side facing warrior. The toes on your back leg should be turned in, and you'll want to bend your knee over your front ankle of your front foot. Breathe in, arms out, lean forward. Breathe out, arms in, lean back. Breathe in, breathe out. Arms out, arms in. Lean forward, lean back. Now, let's place one foot in front of the other, with our hips and shoulders facing forward, focusing our stare at something in front of us that does not move, like a door, a shelf, or a spot on the wall. Breathe in, side lean. Breathe out, lean back to your original spot. If you lose your balance, take your time and find it again. Your arms can be at any height that is comfortable for you. Now, breathe in and out at your own pace. Now we're going to switch the position of our feet. Now our back foot is in the front and our front foot is in the back. Continue by breathing in with a side lean. Breathing out, lean back to the center. Let's bring our feet to shoulder width apart. We're going to breathe in with our hands on our lower back. And we're going to breathe out and run our hands down our quads. Breathe in, breathe out. Excellent job today, exercisers. And a special thank you to the inspiration for this cool down, our friends at the Niroga Institute that visited our school district.